today I'm back again without my shoes. So today is not a full video, but it's more of a hotel tour, I think. So this is our first time here at Village Hotel Sentosa. It's also our first time because it is a new hotel that opened in Sentosa, but it's not officially open yet. So the soft launch is actually in 1st April.
No, 1st April is the official.
1st April is the official.
Now it's the soft launch.
Now it's the soft launch. So we got the opportunity to get to like
trial
stay at their hotel and also see so many different facilities. So let's enter this. This room is a family room. So let's go. So welcome to the room. So the room, this is a family room. Oh, the toilet bowl is open by itself. So everything is automated. Okay, not really, but so this is the family room. It's actually an interconnecting room. Although it might look big, but if you just like book a room on its own, it's quite small.
22 square meters.
It's only 22 square meters. You know, like as you can see, like if you close the door, there are the 2 beds only. Then even this table has to be folded because there's not much space. Yeah.
But it's good, right? You see,
yeah,
save space.
Very good because you say space, you can eat here, wow, but you see the TV and the eyes. So maybe you just eat and I don't know, you cannot do makeup because there's no mirror, but maybe you can see the reflection in the TV screen. So we got nice views.
Yeah, the Malayan just by your side,
The
Rani.
Malayan is so nice. It looks like there's string attached to the nose, but and we got a nice view of Resort World Sentosa. Yeah. Oh wow, look at the sky, so pretty. The sky is so nice, you look. Ooh. So I'll show you the toilet bowl again. Okay, you see once you step here and open! But lucky it doesn't spray water out. Okay, so we can move. It's a sliding door. Although the toilet is a bit small.
Not really lah, okay.
Yeah, not really. Oh, I thought
Standing
it was a door.
shower.
Okay, so you can see here. Oh, it's so warm. Okay, they have a remote for. Oh yeah, cannot take out one. Okay, but it's a remote. I better don't press anything because I'm wearing my shorts. I don't want my shorts to be wet. Okay, so the seat is warm now because it's warming my my buttocks. Okay, so the shower is pretty nice too. It's a nice little curtain, although it doesn't have a door. So, you can, one person bathe, one person can pee. He or she is urgently need to use the toilet. And there's 2 different shower heads. One here. Wow, there's a select button. I'm not sure. I cannot show you where I bathe lah, but there's a select button. Select. And the higher shower head up there for us. Okay, the toilet bowl closed by itself again. And now, this one. See, right, when you want to sleep and do not want the toilet to be disturbed,
Toilet? Sorry? Matt. Okay. You see?
You see?
Okay.
Oh, it's so peaceful. So anybody have a toilet, you flush. It's like soundproof,
Nobody's
sound. Okay, yeah. So I think that's it for our room. Oh wait, you want to take a look at the other side, but it's about the same.
This is the king size.
King size bed.
That is a twin bed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Twin bed, king size bed with really big screen TVs near your bed, so it's like wow. And you can look at the beautiful skyline. Not really skyline, but just the sky and different buildings. Oh yeah. You know about the facilities? They have 4 different swimming pools. So now I'm gonna bring you to see the swimming pools. here are the 4 different pools, and we actually have a short clip for you later on. So just take a quick look. It's a morning, so there's not many people. We have a children's pool, adults pool, and I'm not sure what other pools, but
Adventure pool.
Adventure pool. But it's cool because everyone gets to swim at a good safety level. So that's all for here. Bye. But here is their gym, and it's not very small, but it's slightly big enough to do many things. There's quite a few treadmills, a bicycle, another type of bicycle, I'm not sure what it's called, and an elliptical trainer with some free weights over here. So I just did a quick, very short workout here before I head to the buffet place. Oh yeah, another thing, the gym is actually open for 24 hours. So you can just visit the gym anytime. At night when you can't sleep, just come here and run before you get tired and sleep. So let's go!